Children, let us start today with practice set 3.2, question number 7. What all things are given to us? See, the 11th term it is said. 11th term means T11, 21st term means T21. 16 and 29 respectively means first one as 16, the second one as 29. Here the value of n is 11. In the place of n we have written 11, and in the second case the n is equal to 21. We have to find the 41st term. To find the 41st term, we are not having a the first term as well as d the difference. So let us start with the general term a plus n minus 1 into d, and the T11, what it will be as a plus what is given to us. Let us start with that. The value of T11 is 16. In place of n we have put 11, so a plus 10d is equal to 16. Therefore we can write a plus 10d is equal to 16. That is the first equation. Let us see in the similar manner T21. Take again the general term a plus n minus 1 into d, and if we are finding T21 means in place of n we have to put 21. The value of T21 is already given to us as 29, so a plus 20d, write it in a proper manner, rearrange it, that's all. We got the second equation also. Now these are the two linear equations, children, and to find a and d we can use any of the methods, the elimination, the substitution, or the Cramer's rule, or the graphical method. Here I am using the elimination method. I am subtracting both the equations because all are positives. We need to remove some of the terms. So subtraction will change the signs. We get as minus 10d is equal to minus 13. Therefore d is equal to minus 13 upon minus 10. That gives us 13 upon 10, or either even you can have it as 1.3. So where and how is required, you can put the value of d. Now you got the value of d. Let us find the value of a by putting the value of d in any one of the equation. I am substituting the value of d in equation 1. That is, the equation 1 is given to us as a plus 10d is equal to 16. So if you put the value of d as, we got it as 13 upon 10. So it will be much more easier because 10 will get cancelled. A plus 13 is equal to 16. Therefore a is equal to 16 minus 13, or otherwise a is equal to 3. Now children, we got a, we got d. So let us go for the step 4 to find the value of t. 41, 41st term they said. So here n will be equal to 41. So again take the general term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T41 is equal to a we got as 3, n we got as 41 minus 1, d we have as 13 upon 10. So that will give us 40 multiplied by 13 upon 10. The multiplication first by the BODMAS rule. So 4 multiplied by 13 gives you 52, and hence T41 is equal to 55. So answer you have to write 41st term of the AP is 55. Now let us come to question number 8, children. A sequence is given to us and it is said that it is in AP, means the AP is given to us as 11, 8, 5 and 2. If it is an AP, we can directly take the common difference D, no need to show it. The first term is 11 taken as A, so common difference D will be equal to T2 minus T1, that will give us minus 3. We got D, children, we got A. Now we have to, what is given to us, let us see. Which term is number minus 51? Which term? Don't know which term. So unknown term Tn minus 151. Let us take the general term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Minus 151 is given already, and A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. So solve it, children. Minus 151 minus 11 is equal to minus 3n plus 3. I have multiplied minus 3 inside the brackets. So this is minus 162 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. So minus 165 upon minus 3 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 55. So we got n is equal to 55, and hence the final answer will be which term they said. So we will write 55th term is number minus 151. Alright. Now let us see question number 9, what is given. In the natural numbers from 10 to 150, means what is given to us, the natural numbers from, there are two things, children, from and between. We are given from. Actually natural number starts from 1, but here it is given to us to take from 10. How many are divisible by 4? So from 10 to 250, how many numbers are divisible by 10 we have to write. So the AP will be 10 is not divisible, 11 is not divisible, starts with 12. 12, the table of 4, 16, 20 and so on. The last number 250 is not divisible by 4. 249 is an odd number, not divisible by 4. So 248, where the last two digits which makes a number as 48 is divisible by 4. So 248 is the last number. We got our arithmetic progression. Let us find the first term and the second term and the common difference. T2 minus T1, 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Now they said how many numbers, how many are means how many numbers, means n we have to find. So the general term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn already we have because the last term is given to us. Therefore we can say that Tn is 248. 248, A is 12 plus n minus 1, D is 4. 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4, that is it 236 upon 4 is equal to n minus 1, and 5 is 20, 36, 4 9s are 36, plus 1 is equal to n. So number of natural numbers divisible by 4 are 60. So we can write the answer as there are 60 natural numbers between 10 to 250. Alright, 60 natural numbers divisible by 4 children. It is not only natural numbers, divisible by 4, and it is not between, it is from 10 to 250. Alright, now let us see the last question. What is given to us? Given the 17th term, means T17 is 7 more than 10th term, means T10. This is already given to us, children. They are asking us to find the common difference D. So let us start one by one. What is given, let us take that only. T17 is equal to 7 plus T10. So let us start with the general term, A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore T17 is equal to, in place of n we are going to put 17. So T17 will be A plus 16D. This is a second equation. Let us see the third equation. Again, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We want T10. So T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. That gives us A plus 9D. So children, let us substitute equations 2 and 3 in 1. So what do we get? T17, 7 plus T10. The value of T17 is A plus 16D is equal to 7 plus A plus 9D. Let us move the similar terms, like terms. 7, A and A got cancelled. 16 minus 9 is 7, D is equal to 7. Hence D is equal to 7 upon 7, that is equal to 1. So the answer is common difference D is equal to